Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my another vlog. So I'm making this. This is not gonna be a vlog. It's basically gonna be like a mini video. Like so, basically, I'm making this video because some of my friends and some of my viewers requested me to make this one. So in my previous vlogs, I have mentioned about my birthday and everything. So some of my friends were like very curious to know what gifts I got, and especially from Riju, what did he give me for my birthday. And even in my previous vlog, I said that I will be sharing in a separate video that what are the things that I got from him. So this video is about my birthday gifts from Riju. Let's see. So before showing the gifts, I have to tell you, like, every gift has its own meaning and its like own story to tell. So it was very thoughtful of him, and I was like so happy to see all the gifts and all, because the thought and the efforts he put behind, was everything. So yeah, it was pretty overwhelming when I actually received the gift. Gift reveal in 3, 2, 1. Start unboxing. Which one? This one. This was the first gift. Let's see. So these were the pictures. Like, we've been together for like almost 3 years now. So all these pictures tells a story. Yeah. Whenever we are together, we just laugh. We laugh like fools, like without any reason most of the time. It was the first time we went for a zoo date. Yeah. But one thing you guys will notice is that most of our pictures has, like our crazy faces. Like, we are making funny, crazy faces. So yeah, it's cute. So this is the picture he clicked, and he got me flowers. This was, I think, Saraswati Puja. So yeah. In this picture, he went for an interview and I came after office. So yeah, basically these two pictures proves the love of corporate Mazdoor. Yeah. A picture when we went to watch Oppenheimer, and yeah, it was, I think, the first winter. Yeah, no, first winter together. And yeah, he clicked this photo. It's so cute. Okay. And this is our very first picture together, like very first picture. So yeah. And one picture I have, which is behind my phone's camera. Wait, I'll show you. My favorite picture. It shows our character, like the Kaleshi Aurat and the calm, understanding boyfriend. So basically, I keep this photograph behind my phone's back. So yeah, it's cute. Coffee mug. Maybe you will think, okay, it's just a normal coffee mug. You might think it's a normal coffee mug, but it is not. So I'll tell you the story behind it. Basically, Marla, she's the lead female character from the film Fight Club, and this is like our favorite film, and we started bonding over this film a lot. Yeah. So, and this too is like two crazy girls. So he wrote this, two sides. My girl, to Dodo from Nono. Yeah. Famous Amidun from Gone Girl, and basically it was like an inside joke in the initial stage of a relationship, where we used to joke about the things. He recommended me this film Gone Girl, and we used to like make fun. So he recommended, this is like, I think this is one of the very first film he recommended me to watch, and I watched it. And after watching the film, I called him saying, oh my god, I love crazy married woman. I love their character and everything. So he said, like, I wish all the good luck to your future partner, that you're so inspired, by this character. And I said, yeah, you are the lucky one, you are safe. And we all know how it turned. He's definitely not safe. He's not safe. Yeah. So it was very thoughtful gift, and as I said earlier in the video, that all this gift tells a story. It's about me, it's about our relationship. So all these gifts are very, very precious to me and very close to my heart, because it carries something. It's just not a gift, it's just not a coffee mug, it's a story. So yeah, second dress, this is a anarkali, and this is the dupatta. I love the color combination of gold and yellow. I wore this outfit, I think, on Poila Boishakh. Yeah, on Poila Boishakh I wore this, and this is the anarkali. It's so pretty. It's like, whenever I wear it, it makes me feel like an Indian princess. So yeah, I will share a picture of this dress. Story time. So basically, the story behind gifting this dress is, I don't really wear ethnic clothes that much, or like traditional clothes that much, except sari. The most ethnic thing I wear is like sari. For most of the events I wear saris. So, and sometimes it gets very difficult for me in the summer, or like if I'm traveling long distances, it gets very difficult for me to wear sari and to handle it and everything. And I don't really wear kurtis or anarkali. I don't feel like, okay, I don't think I can carry it well. So he basically wanted to change that perception, how I think about myself when I wear ethnic, especially like anarkali or like salwar kind of things. So he said ki, I love to see you in ethnic. This is the anarkali. It's beautiful, especially the works, and it's full cotton. So I love this. So when I asked him, like, how come you just came up with this choice, because you have never bought any ethnic dresses for any girl, like, and the fit is perfect. It fits me so well, and it suits me so well. It complements my skin tone. It complements my whole look. It's so good, and it was like so perfect. It was like, I literally said, I feel like it's literally made for me. I literally said it's made for me. And he just said one thing. He said, when I was imagining you in an ethnic anarkali or like any salwar kind of thing, I could just only imagine of a white flowy anarkali, and you were looking like a princess in my imagination. So I was like, okay. So I said, okay, that's a very pooky thing to think and say. So that's how he came up with this. He was actually searching for, he browsed so many, he was browsing so many websites, so many. Later when I was checking his like history, and I'm like, where did you get it from? So he said, I saw it in Flipkart, but I did not like the quality then he got it in Amazon as well. He even found it in Myntra, but he was not getting satisfied. So he made sure he found like another website, and yeah, that guy actually put a lot of effort. Like, brownie points for you. So yeah, and I will share the pictures I clicked by him. So yeah, I will add the pictures after this clip. Okay, so the next gift is very precious to my heart. It means a lot to me because it's very thoughtful. It's so wholesome. So the next gift, it's a part of the gift. Ta-da! Gift basically. So Oh my god, I get so happy whenever I see this one. So he calls me Dodo. I think we all know this. And this was the moon the day I was born. And he wrote that for me. But there is another gift. One last gift. Except the chocolate because वो तो मैं खा ली. हाँ. So and there's like another gift. But can you guys guess the gift? Because you all have seen that gift. In my previous videos, in some part, you all have seen that gift. I can guarantee you that. So any guesses? Comment down below. I'm waiting. Any guesses? Just think. What are the things you have seen in my videos? You should know. You should be able to guess what gift. I'm giving you the time. Please comment down below. Some of you guys guessed it right. Ta-da! Yup. They have guessed it right. So yeah, this giant baby boy was my gift. And I kept a name as Dopu. Yeah, literally the cutest, the fluffiest gift. And he knows that I love soft toys. So he gave me the biggest one. And I have like the cutest pictures with Dopu. I'll share it with you guys. Shuyo. And since he have gifted me this Dopu, I'm like just always on him. मतलब मैं बस इसके ऊपर पड़ी रहती हूँ, ऐसे ही पड़ी रहती हूँ, बस ऐसे ही. It's so soft, it's so comfy, like. But मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा precious gift कौन है? वो खुद है यार, वो खुद है, वो बंदा ही खुद मेरा best gift है यार. But yeah, he's definitely my biggest gift, the most precious, the loveliest, the best gift. But कमाल ही कर दिया बंदे ने, कमाल कर दिया. मतलब काफी sweet, thoughtful things he gifted, huh? He definitely deserves brownie points. So yeah, that's all. All the gifts were so cute, it was so sweet, and the thought behind every gift, I think that speaks for itself. So yes, I felt so happy, I felt so lucky. I was like, the tears. I think he had the videos of me unwrapping it. Yeah, so it was very cute. It was very cute. I'm so lucky. I will also share some of our pictures from that day. So yeah, check it out guys. Till then, stay safe. Wait for my next vlog. Bye bye guys. Love you.